Magandang umaga, magandang araw. So, dito na naman po tayo sa ating channel. Welcome. Kamusta po? Knock, 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 knock. Libra, 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 knock, knock. Okay. So, inaalis ko lang yung energy do sa card. Weekly reading. So, weekend naman po. Kamusta po ang mga OFW? Shout out OFW. OFW din po ako, kaya I want to connect with fellow OFW. Alam natin yung ano yan. Merong ano yan meron tayong unwritten, unspoken energy to become an OFW. Tama po ba? So that's something na unique with fellow OFW. Alam natin yan. So kamusta po? Shout out Libra. So August 1 to 7 ang ating reading. Check natin ang energy. So nakapagluto na ba tayo? Nakapamili na tayo? So weekend, another weekend. Weekend ko po ginagawa itong tarot reading. So busy week. Maraming project sa office. Stressful week. Stressful ito. Pero it's a good stress is not good, pero sa pag meaning may trabaho. So yun na lang iniisip. So ibig sabihin may trabaho. Salamat may trabaho. Okay, so Libra, so that's how you survive in working and living overseas. So, sino dyan yung mga magbabakasyon? Good luck, enjoy. Huwag masyadong magastos. So, Libra, August 1 to 7. Tignan natin ang energy ni Libra. Sana hindi heavy. Ano yan kasama. Ano ba ang plano ngayong weekend? Mamaya ako. Mamaya may tatahiin pala ako. Kaya sabi ko lang na hindi heavy. Okay, Libra, okay, hindi ako tumatawa sa iyo, pero tinatawanan ko lang yung sarili ko. That's how I keep my sanity. Okay, sorry sa news. Okay, there's a news that just came in. Oops. Social media, text messages, o ano tawag dito? Ano ba yung mga chismosa tawag sa Pilip? Marites? Iwas tayo sa mga marites, pero minsan masaya. Katuwaan lang yan, Libra. Ano lang yan? Pinch of salt. Ika nga. Grain of salt. Yan. Tama ba yun? Okay. So, merong kailangang i-disconnect o natapos na o iniyakan. Umiyak din ako kahit papaano. Pero ngayon tumatawa na lang ako. Okay, sa news, let's see, August 1 to 7. Huwag masyadong depende rin sa situation. I can't give my opinion on that one, because we sometimes we go through this type of stage. Okay, so especially if it's a health issue, it's not something na we can just say na it's let's take it like a grain of salt or something. Tignan natin August 1 to 7. Ano ba itong balita na ito that you need to have a choice? For me, that's a choice. It's always about making choices. And it's gonna be a celebration after that. It's painful. Okay? Hindi ito kahapon lang nangyari or 1 week. I think, tingnan ko lang ako, chismis tayo, Libra. Kuha pa ako ng card. You have a news or you gave the news. Nakipag-break ka ba sa boyfriend mo o sa girlfriend? It's something it's emotion at the emotional level, and okay, Yes, talking about relationship, madaming lumabas dito. Okay. Um, it's affecting anything emotional affects also our financial matter. Okay, and you've been fighting for that one. Hindi, walang panalo, walang talo minsan eh. Don't think of it as natalo or what. But there's an opportunity. You're the stallion. Alam mo ito, Libre. Alam mo na ito eh. Alam mo na ito. Okay. Will that make your life happier? Yung choice na yan? I'm not saying that it's a choice. I think it's an existing one. There's no such thing as choice here. There's no choice here, pero meron kang dapat I think it's accept. Okay, minsan expectation. I think that very common yan, the expectation eh. I-chismis ko lang, I do have somebody na kakilala ko, so this is not perfect, pero they accepted the fact that yung mga minor nuances, okay, and that stress you out. I think accepting the fact na okay, mahirap magsabi ng diretsahan, ayaw marinig minsan ng tao, pero mabuti minsan yung you just accept hindi yung luto mo palaging maalat, di ba? Sinigang yan bakit lasang nilaga yan bakit lasang pinakbet, ganyan tipo, pero kakainin mo na lang nang nakangiti ka. Or wala naman binibigay na palaging pera to, palaging bitin kulang pa sa kuryente pero kailangan ko naman bumili ng bagong bag ko, sapatos ko sira na. Okay? And once you have that stage, okay, kung ano man yung balita na yun, may dumating na balita eh. Okay? So yung mindset should be something like, okay, pag dumating na balita na ano na naman ito? Okay? Paulit na naman ito. And it's have been in the sa family o sa relationship na it's either ako na naman ba magpupuno nito, wala tayong bigas, ako na naman bibili na naman ng kabang bigas na ito, and you got tired of that one. Tama, meron bang ganun, Libra? Ito ba yung stage mo? Kasi yung balita parang ang bilis-bilis ng balita eh, palaging ganun yung balita eh. O may pagkagasusan, pinagsabihan ko na wag nang gawing ganyang party na magtipid. Pero ito na naman tayo, uulit na naman tayo. It's a cycle. Yeah, okay. So Libra, ano ba nasasabihin ko? Libra reading ito. So yun ang energy for August 1 to 7. Kung ano man ito it calls for celebration. There is celebration. I think it's only accepting the fact that it's the expectation sometimes. Oops, ano ba yung nalaglag siya? Okay, so yung balita na yan, something small or it can be something big, but pero it's have been brewing, it, pero you're trying to put it on the back burner. Tama ba? Yeah, okay. So Libra, thank you and see you again.